Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the developer options in this device. To enable the developer options in this device, go to settings, scroll down, then tap on the option about device, tap on this one, then again scroll down, tap on version. To enable the developer option, tap on 7 times on the version number. So now you can see if you set any screen lock in your device, then you need to enter the screen lock, otherwise don't need this step. Now you can see you are now a developer. Now go back to your settings, tap on additional settings, scroll down. Here you can see the option developer options. Tap on this one, then you will get lots of options under this developer options. You can easily enable or disable the options under this developer options. So simply in this way you can enable developer options in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.